Hey my friend, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video, I will show you how to install Java in Visual Studio Code and run your first Java program. To install Java in Visual Studio Code, we need to first have Visual Studio Code. So let's install it. To do that, you need to open a browser of your own choice. I will open Google Chrome. And in the URL bar, you need to write download Visual Studio Code. Hit enter and then click on this link, which is from the website code.visualstudio.com. Now I am on a MacBook, so I am going to click on this button, which is going to download Visual Studio Code for Mac. If you are a Windows user, then you should click on this button to download the Visual Studio Code for Windows. Don't worry, the installation is more or less similar. So let me click on this button. And you can see the download has begun. It's going to take a few seconds for this download to complete. And there you go, the download is complete. Now I'm going to simply click on it and it's going to expand the zip file downloaded. And there I have my Visual Studio Code. So it's a very lightweight IDE and it doesn't install like conventional IDEs. So the moment I double click on this application file, alright, there is a pop-up that says Visual Studio Code is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? I click on open. Yes, I do want to open it. And there you go. We have Visual Studio Code. And now we go back to the website from where we downloaded the Visual Studio Code. And here on the left, you will see a pane where you will see Java. So you click on this down arrow in front of Java, and that's going to open a menu for you. In this menu, you will have to click on Getting Started. So it's going to open this page. Over here, you are going to click on Install the Coding Pack for Java, this button, if you are on Mac OS. But if you are on Windows, then you are going to click on this button. So I am on Mac, so I am going to click on this button. And you can see another download has begun. It's installing the Java Coding Pack. And there you go. Java Coding Pack has been installed. Now I'm going to click on it. It's again expanding it. And there I have the coding pack for Java is installed. Let me open it. All right, I'm going to again click on open. And there we have an installer. So it wants to install coding pack for Java. So I'm going to click on next. Now, since I already have a JDK 20 installed on my Mac, therefore it says OK for this Java development kit. However, for you, if you don't have JDK installed, then it's going to say not installed. So all you have to do after that is click on install. And you can see that for Visual Studio Code, it says OK because we just installed it. So for you also, it's going to say OK. But I repeat, if you don't have JDK installed, it's going to say not installed. So you click on install. Let me install it as well, because along with installing JDK, it's going to install some Java extensions for Visual Studio Code. That is why I myself clicked on the install button. All right, the installation is complete. It says launch Visual Studio Code. I don't want to do that. I will launch it myself. I click on finish. And then I close my Visual Studio Code and reopen it. Now, the moment I open Visual Studio Code, it gives me an option in the form of this button to create Java project. However, you can also press Command Shift P and write Java create in this text box to get an option to create Java project. You can choose either of the ways to create Java project. So I click on this create Java project over here. And now it gives me all these options. I am going to click on this first one with no build tools, but you can create Java project with Maven, Gradle, Spring Boot, Quarkus, and many more. So I'm going to click on no build tools. All right, it wants me to select the project location. So I'm going to go to desktop and let me create a new folder and I name it Java project test. I create it and I select this folder as the project location. Now it's asking me to input a Java project name. So let me name it the same Java project underscore test. I hit enter and there you go. I have my Java project created and its name is the same, Java project underscore test. Now I go to the src folder. Over here I click on app.java and it has already given me a snippet. Now there is some background activity that happened the moment I double clicked on app.java. After that background activity got completed, I am getting an option to run or debug this app class from here. So I can either choose to run this Java program from here or from here. So I click on run over here and let's see if it prints hello world, and it has printed hello world. And now let's type another line of code and print it as well. So I'm going to copy this line of code, paste it over here, and instead of hello world, let's print hello Java. Let's click run and there you go. It prints hello world, hello Java. Let's run this project now by clicking on the play button. And you can see it prints hello world, hello Java. So that's it. This is how you install Java in Visual Studio Code. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install Java in Visual Studio Code from this video of Joey's Tech. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.